Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll make a prop wrench using packing foam. To start, I'll trace on the shape of a wrench. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'll cut it out using the Milwaukee Fastback knife. Okay, I cut out this part. Now I'll clean up the edges because it's kind of rough. Okay, so all of this stuff here has little holes in it. So I'm going to fill that with some caulk. Okay, so it still has texture, but at least it doesn't have holes, so it should be paintable. Now I'll let this dry. Now I'll clean up some of this extra caulk. And this is polyethylene foam, so the caulk doesn't stick very well except for on the textured part. So I'm able to just pull it all off on this side. But then it sticks right here and here. Now I'll start to paint it. To paint it, I'll use acrylics. I have silver, black, gray, and white. Okay, now that I painted it all silver, I'll add a little bit of gray. And then I'll use this bigger brush with some water. That looks pretty good. Okay, now I'll let that dry. Okay, now that it's dry, it's all done. It doesn't look very good from close up, but from farther away, it looks kind of like a wrench. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. To start, I'll trace on the shape of a wrench.